I'd like to introduce you to some of the products that we're going to be developing for SVA. They're inexpensive and easy to use, and they're great for activities with students. This one here we call Tower of Magnets, and what it is a bag with 15 rather powerful ring magnets and 5 of these plastic posts right here, and then a series of instructions. And you can do all kinds of interesting things having to do with magnetism, in particular magnetic attraction and repulsion. For example, one of the activities in here, which is written up in this little folder, there's about 5 activities here. First off, it tells you about the nature of magnetism and so on, but then you could learn about which pole is which, and one of the activities is to suspend the magnet from the ceiling by a string, and it will align itself with the Earth's magnetic north and south pole, so it becomes like a compass. But then we have some activities that have to do with magnetic attraction and repulsion, and that's where these posts come in here. And I already got one set up here. I've got 3 magnets slipped down over a plastic post, and when I push down on here and let it go, it bounces. In fact, if I push way down, it actually jumps right off. And that's kind of fun. Well, students can do that and learn about it, but you can keep adding magnets to it. Let's see if this is the right direction. Yeah. And then like this, and you have to have the like poles facing each other. And if you look here and see what's happening, the gap or the distance between these 2 magnets here and these 2 is it's a little smaller there. It gets a little larger, and a little larger still. And let's try to put one more on here where you combine together, and we'll see what happens with that. And does it go down? Whoop, almost too much now. And oh well, it still compresses the magnets. It's a lot of fun to work with these things here. And of course they jump together like that, and it makes a very simple activity to work with the students. There's enough materials here in this kit for 5 teams to work with. They work with 3 magnets per team and experiment with magnetism and repulsion and attraction, and then teams come together and try these things with extra magnets. So it's a lot of fun to do, and it's a good way to learn about magnetism. So that's our first product. We call it Tower of Magnets.